Welcome to PCDOTS Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to view MSG files and folders. Let's start by downloading PCDOTS MSG Converter tool on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support mini email client and file format choose as per your requirement. First, go to the Open tab and select an MSG Files option. After that, choose File and choose Folder to load MSG mailboxes in the software panel. Pick the required MSG folder containing useful information from the system and click on Select Folder. The software is analyzing the MSG mailboxes. The tool lists all the MSG mailboxes in the software interface. Now, please tap on the email and get its preview in the software interface. This way you can preview the MSG email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If the email contains any attachment file, then right-click on it, and you will find options of Open, Save, and Save All. Choose the option as per your need. The software also lets you see the properties of MSG emails separately. Click on Properties option to view all the email's properties easily. Next is the Message Header tab. The header information of an email is a valuable source. Using this option, you can see the email header preview easily. The tool also enables you to see the Hex View of the email. Just tap on the Hex View tab. The solution also provides you the view of raw information of the email. Please click on Raw Message option to get the preview. Search option is another important feature of this tool. There are two types of search option available with this software: Quick Search and Advanced Search. These help you filter email information, also find out any word, text, or other information in the message. But, now we will wrap up the things and explained about these two features in our next video tutorial. So, subscribe our channel to get a notification of the coming videos.